Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing Brand. This is Shirley. Today we're going to be unboxing a pet camera called the Petcube 2. So they were kind enough to send me this camera for unboxing and review, and I'm super excited to open it up to show you guys what it looks like. I've got my dogs Harry and Jasper here with me in the room, but they're kind of just wandering around. I don't know if they'll make a cameo, but let's see. The camera came in just a regular brown box, and let's open it and take a look. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Harry, you sure you don't want to be in the camera? Whoa, look at this. The Petcube Bites 2. So this is what it's called. And I think that's a Shiba, and the Shiba looks like Harry because our Harry is a red and white Siberian Husky. A lot of people always ask what breed of dog he is, and when you go walk him, he thinks I'm up to something no good, so he's not coming over here. All right, so this is the Petcube Bites 2. Oh. That's Jasper. He does that sometimes. That's just what he does. So ignore that noise. I also have a channel dedicated to these two silly dogs, and I'll link it here if you want to check it out. But let's get back to the unboxing. Okay, so the Petcube Bites 2, see, talk to, and treat your pet from your phone. So what this is, you can actually connect it to your phone, and you're able to take a look at your pets while they're at home and you're away, if you're curious to see what they do while you're away. And this also pops out treats for them as well, so you can use your phone and you can check them out, and you can also press the button and I think it spits out a treat for them. So that is super fun. So it says security with 1080p HD video and night vision. I think that's just the quality of the video. Two-way audio to hear and speak, so you can talk to your pets through this camera and you can listen to what they're doing as well. And yeah, fling treats remotely to interact and reward. So let's open this baby up. How do you open it? Is it like this? Oh, okay, there we go. Ooh. Oh. Hey, Harry. Can you see him? You can kind of see him in a corner there. So there's some packing stuff in here. But wow, look at this. This is the size of the camera. And I think they also have like, they also have these little holes back here so that you can also mount it onto the wall if you like. And let's see if there's instructions. Okay, and I think the rest of the stuff, I wonder if they gave you treats. Maybe not. Petcube.com. These look like stickers. Harry, you want to say hi? Want to say hi? All right, so I guess these are just Petcube stickers that came in this little box. And the rest just looks like hardware or cables and stuff to install your camera. So we're going to be setting up this camera here and seeing how it works. And it looks like the treat just pops out of here. Oh! You know, I think I actually see treats in here. Maybe I should find the instruction sheet. All right. So they want you to actually download the Petcube app and follow the instructions on your app about how to install this. But it looks like he's fine. He just does that. That's just what Jasper does. Okay, so it looks like you open this, and this is where you put the treats. These are by Wellness, and it's petite treats, natural tasty snacks for small breed dogs. Well, my dogs are not very small, but I'm sure they'll eat this regardless. They probably just wanted to give you small treats so that you can put it into your camera to dispense. Now, I know that they also have a camera for cats, and instead of spitting out treats, I think there's a laser pointer, and you can like use your phone to Jasper, shh, and you can use your phone. And you can use your phone to like tap on the lasers, and it points to different places in the house so that your cat can like play with your laser while you're away. Anywho, so we're gonna try. Jasper, come here. Harry. All right, there we go. There we go. All right, now you're here. All right, come, Harry, come here. All right, so that's Harry. Maybe I'll move this. And this is Jasper, the guy who's been barking. Jasper is a rough collie, and they're known for barking. So that's what you were hearing earlier. All right, let me just move the box. So I'm going to be setting up the camera, and I'm going to be setting up the camera and testing it out with the app. Harry, don't come onto the couch. No, don't come onto the couch. And I think, and I'll link all the information down below. Harry, no. I'll leave all the information down below if you want to check it out. I think you can find these cameras on Amazon. I'm not sure if they have their own website where they sell to consumers, but I'll leave all the information down below. Oh my goodness, these are like kibble-sized treats. I'm sure they'll eat it anyways. Okay, there you go. There you go. Good boy. Okay, Jasper. Okay, there we go. There we go. So we've set up the camera and downloaded the app. It turns out the instructions for setup were actually printed on the sides of the box. The camera also came with 3 orange inserts to help you control how much treats gets dispensed at once, which is kind of cool. So the app setup was pretty intuitive. The interface for the homepage mimics how Instagram is set up. You're encouraged to post updates about your pets and also follow other users. You can post either a photo or a video under your account, and other users can like, comment, or share your content. The camera is sound and motion censored, and you can set up alerts on your phone when either a bark or movement is detected on the camera. Your video is automatically stored on the cloud in 30-second increments, but you have to view them within 24 hours. To dispense treats, turn your phone to landscape view within the app and tap on the bone icon on the bottom left of the screen. Once the icon is visible in the bottom middle of the screen, simply press and flick to dispense the treats. You'll also get a note if you're running low on treats as well, like I am right now. To speak through the camera, simply press the microphone on the bottom left corner of the screen. To take photos or record a video, press the camera or video icon on the bottom right of the screen. Videos or images are saved directly to your camera roll on your phone, but you have to record them and take them in real time. You can't download them later on, and I'll explain why. Petcube also offers a Petcube Care membership, where your video history is saved on their cloud for a longer period of time. If you want to download your recorded videos, you need to be subscribed to their membership. Without a membership, you can still view your camera in real time and also record footage, but you can't retrieve the recorded footage by downloading it unless you have a membership, if that makes sense. The optimal membership is $3.99 a month, and the premium is $8.35 a month. Again, you don't need a membership to use the camera, only if you want to download recorded content that was triggered by either motion or sound. Another feature Petcube has is to share your camera with other Petcube users. You can either set this up to people you know, or you can set it on public. I haven't tried this public sharing feature yet, but I did look into a few cameras that were set on public just so that I can explain to you what it is, and it felt really strange to me. It felt like I was spying on someone or something. So I personally find this feature to be kind of intrusive, but maybe it's just me. If it's set on public, this means that anyone with an account can turn on your camera and record video, take photos, speak to your pets, or I guess they can also speak to you if you're in a shot, and they can even fling treats as well from their phones. Granted, you can set up how many treats gets dispensed each hour to set a limit, and you can also select how long you want to share your camera for. For instance, you can share for 15 minutes or you can share for half an hour. But still, to me, these are strangers' homes you're looking into, and I just find it really odd. So overall, I do enjoy using this camera. We already have another camera that's set up in the dog's room, so checking up on them was something I did regularly when I'm out and about. I'm actually guilty of checking up on them also when I'm in a different room and at home and I hear them barking or something. Sometimes I'm just curious to see what they're up to. Most of the time they're just sleeping. For this camera in particular, I do like how you can interact with your pets by treating them when you're away, and you can set up the camera to play a sound whenever you log on so that your pet may get trained into thinking the treat is on its way, and it'll come up to the camera and just like say hi to you over the camera. You can also set up a time each day where the treats are dispensed automatically. If you're too busy at work, you can just let it do it automatically on its own. Some other features that this camera comes with I haven't tried myself is a Facebook streaming feature and also connecting your camera to Alexa. If you have this camera and have also tried these features, let me know what you think of it so I can take a look at myself as well later on. Alright guys, so that was unboxing the Petcube Bites 2 camera. Let me know what you thought of this video and what you thought about this camera. If you're curious to try it out, I'll make sure to leave a link below so that you can take a look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, I'll leave the link for my dog's YouTube channel up here if you're interested in checking it out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other unboxing videos as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!